All right, what's up, guys? We are back with another weekly recap. This week it was pretty quick. I only took 3 trades. But before we even get started, I got a couple things to say. This is Doyle exchange strategy, and I have been trying to get used to it since around May, and I'm really liking it, to be honest. And I'm starting to figure out what's working for me with this strategy. So if you guys want to learn about this strategy more, definitely check out his channel. I'm so glad I found his channel, man. I've been like struggling with just trading and actually finding a strategy. I was just trading without no strategy, no risk management. I'm just trading. But I had a big like goal. I'm like, trading can really take you far. It can really do a lot. So I just stuck with it, and eventually I actually found something like this. And you see, I'm not even like getting like payouts or big money yet, but I do feel very optimistic about this. So first, we're gonna get started with this GU trade, and this one was a L. Okay, it was a L. Let me see. Got in, boom, quick L. I got out at this white line. I just saw like as soon as my entry came, it literally just started reversing. So I'm like, bro, I gotta get out. And I'm noticing like most of my L's are like that. They're literally in like less than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Like it's as soon as you enter, it's the L, and it just quickly loses its momentum. So yeah, I got out quick, and I also noticed that these type of trades that I take when it's a zone like this, and it takes a while to come back. Like it keeps on trend. It kept on trending up, and then it has to come back down. And London was also bullish, like 3 to 8. Man, you see, and then it just goes down, breaks these lows super quick, and then yeah, it's just an L. But the reason I took this was because there was a 1 hour demand zone, and the 5 minute was inside of it, but we were still bearish on the 1 hour. So you could see like we're really like going down. We're in a downtrend. It's not like the most perfect downtrend, but we're trending down. But yeah, this was an L, and you'll see eventually. You'll see in these other two trades. Like I usually don't even take trades like this. It usually is just like the zones created, then it'll come back down. Boom. It does its magic. It may lose too, but I'm noticing that my trades usually aren't like this, so I'm gonna start back testing these type of trades more, and I might just end up completely avoiding them for now. So the next trade we took was GJ. This was on Tuesday, and this trade is actually manipulated by the market, bro. Cause let me just draw out a little line. Like this is where I really got in. Wait, what? Okay, this is where I really got in, and that's where the candle really closed. That was like the low of the candle. I wouldn't say that's where it closed. That was the low of the candle, and it didn't go all the way down here, but this was a news candle, so I could see why it was manipulated a bit, I guess. But that's just messed up, man. Not gonna lie, that's just messed up. So the zone wasn't invalidated in real time, and I got in at the break, and then yeah, started going down, playing around a little bit. So I'm like, I don't know, because literally this last trade I took, it started going down as soon as I got my entry. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, okay, this one really has a bigger stop loss though. It was like 17 pips, and this is a trade that I'm more comfortable with taking. So I just held it, and I like the reaction to the zone. So after that, it just did what it had to do. It was acting right. And also see here, we're above yesterday's high, and we're taking it out, and we're starting to go up. Like this is just good. It's just a good trade. It's just the fact that news was right here, and right after it just threw a pretty good setup here. So this was a solid trade. Next up, we got EJ. This was a trade I'm pretty cool with, just a regular textbook setup. We're going with the trend. Like, we're trending down a little bit, but on the 1 hour, we actually weren't. But we were very high on the 1 hour. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. What goes up must come down. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is where we are, bro. Look how high we are. Like, we're on there for so long. I'm like, man, I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna take it. We're pretty high. Who knows what's gonna happen? But you see, eventually, it just started going down even more. If you wanted to be a swing trader, you could have caught all these pips. But I just caught this little move and caught the 1-on-1. And you see what I was just talking about earlier. It's just the boom. It's breaking the low, comes right back up. You wait to see how it reacts to the zone, and then boom, you're in. On the next candle, like breaking that low, I'm in. Boom. Got my 1-on-1. Went on my life. So these were the 3 trades that I took. Let me know if there's anything that you guys want to learn, or if there's something that I can work on with these type of videos. But I'm really just reviewing my trades for the week, and there's also one thing that I am going to start doing more, and I'm trying to enter more trades. Like, if I see more trades like this during the day, I'm gonna just enter them, because I've been reading Trading in the Zone. I just like look, okay, but never mind. Forget that. I was reading Trading in the Zone, and I'm seeing, like, if you really think in probabilities, you're just gonna take your edge in the market when you see it. So if I see something like this and it looks good, like it may have other confluences or something like that, I should be taking the trade. Even if I just won for the day, I should still take the trade, but not over trade. I'm trying to just start with maybe taking 2 trades a day instead of 1, because 1 is just like one and done. I still feel like I'm just not trying to lose the next trade if I win. But at this point, I'm seeing how this is working out, and I might as well take them, bro, because as much as I'm saying I could lose, I could win too. So we're going to try going for around 2 trades a day, and I'll have more trades to review. But yeah, that's it for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all next week, man. Peace.